Hey guys, today I'm diving into the world of painting and decorating to see what it's really like on the job. From homes to huge commercial buildings, even industrial sites, there's so much variety. One day you could be working on a brand new build, the next you're giving something old a fresh new look. That's part of the fun. As an apprentice, you will quickly learn that prep is everything. Also, it's not just about throwing paint on a wall with a brush, which we call cutting in, and then rolling. And no, not on a skateboard, but with a paint roller. Painting decorating also involves spray painting, rendering, a little bit of scaffolding, and even wallpapering at times. And honestly, seeing the final result after a big job is super satisfying. Like I did that, I painted that job. The work isn't as physically intense as some other trades, but it's still hands-on and super rewarding. Plus, the hours are usually 7 to 3, so you've got your afternoons free to do your own thing. And yep, the pay is actually pretty solid, especially once you're fully qualified. It may not be your first choice of trade, but don't let that fool you. These trades are in massive demand, and that means more opportunities and more money for those who get qualified. If you're curious where this trade can take you, stick around. I've got more videos coming where I chat with some legends who are absolutely killing it in the industry.